You're also facing Microsoft Office error 135011 when trying to sign in. The message says your account can't be accessed or the login gets blocked. It's super frustrating because it stops you from using Word, Excel, Outlook, basically the whole Office suite. I had the same issue, and I know how confusing it feels. This usually happens when Office thinks your device isn't trusted anymore. Your authentication token is corrupted, or your Microsoft account gets temporarily flagged. Many people online suggest reinstalling Office or resetting Windows, but that's way too much and not needed. The real reason this happens is your Office activation and sign-in credentials get mismatched with Microsoft Cloud, so Office doesn't know if your device is allowed to sign in. I fixed it using a simple trick. First sign out of every Office app, then remove the old stored Office credentials from Windows Credential Manager, and finally reset the Web Account Manager sign-in cache. After reopening Word, Office rebuilt everything from scratch, and the 135,011 error disappeared instantly. If you want a full step-by-step method I used so you can fix this without reinstalling anything, drop a comment and I'll make the complete guide for you. This is Rexish.